Hi, I'm Natalya Drozhzhin. I am with Mom's Dish and I am here in Beef Eats What's for Dinner Culinary Center. Today we will share all the beefy tricks and tips that you need to know for your home kitchen. One of the best ways to meal prep is by placing a roast into a slow cooker and let it cook, and then you shred it at the end, and then you have a meal prep for the entire week. When making beef, you want to brown it a little bit first. That will give you a lot of flavor. So we're going to move that over to our slow cooker. So we have some caramelized onions, and we want to pour some beef broth in here, and apple cider vinegar, some seasoning. We have salt and pepper, and some fresh thyme. So once your beef is fully cooked, you want actually shred it apart into little pieces. You can just use regular forks and just rip it apart. I love using it for burritos, for sandwiches throughout the week. I'm a mom of 2 boys that have a busy life schedule. Slow cooker is perfect. I can make this meal, leave it in like a container in a fridge, and we have a meal, pretty much different meal every night. We just use it up in many different ways. If you don't have the right tools to shred your beef and you don't like working with a fork, you can actually use your hands. Oftentimes people are really worried about beef drying out when it sits in the fridge. So what I like to do is actually use some of this juice from the slow cooker, and we just pour it over, and it adds that juiciness, flavor into the beef, and you just leave it in the fridge like this. You're ready to go. And if you are looking for more tips and tricks, you can find them on beefeatswhatsfordinner.com.